Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel and I hope you're all doing well. Today's video is obviously your favorite one because this is luxury unboxing. Today we have a little Chanel unboxing here and I was supposed to do this unboxing, quite long ago, but I never did. It is still in the packaging. I haven't seen myself after bringing it home. So you remember I went to Calgary and then I bought this little piece. I promised that I will do the unboxing together. We are doing it together, but after so long, and I don't know how I did not open the box yet, but I always, whenever I saw the packaging, I always wanted to do it together. So we are doing it together today, okay? So let's do that. Be very surprised how I did not unbox it for so long. I haven't done because I really wanted to do it with you and I never really got a chance to sit down and do it. I was doing like different contents, but this one just was sitting. So today we are going to unbox it. Wow. Ooh. Let's see. Ooh, look at that. So beautiful packaging. So here is the box. How cute it looks. You can obviously see that it's a very small goodie. It's a very small goodie and this has been in my wish list for the longest time. Finally, when I went to Calgary to visit, I was just browsing in the shop and suddenly when I saw this little piece, I was just sold. So now we are going to unbox this. Okay. Ooh. Are you ready, guys? So we're still not there. We have a couple of like receipt and stuff. And then it's here in this beautiful velvety pouch. It's very small. It has been, I'm so happy. Can you see that? This little wallet. Cannot believe this beauty is mine now. Like, how gorgeous it looks. How gorgeous. So lightweight, so soft and squishy. I actually made this purchase long back last year. You have seen me shopping this little piece from a boutique in Calgary, downtown Calgary. I will link down the video below in the description box so you can go and watch the whole vlog, but I never did the unboxing because after that actually I moved back to Toronto and then I was just so busy and didn't get a chance to sit down and unbox it. And I never wanted to do the unboxing without you, never wanted to start using it without doing that special unboxing. So I have been really patient and waiting. Today it is a weekend. Finally I have managed some time and I'm like, this is me time, so I'm going to enjoy this moment with all of you. So we will do it together so I can start using my little piece. This is the grain leather, and I think this is the grain leather was the calf skin as much I remember. I think it's calf skin. It should be written somewhere. I'll check, but let me know in the comment section, you guys, the expert ones, if you know is it calf skin? Probably, yeah. It should be calf skin because the grained one, but I know it should be calf skin. And yeah, and it should be good. Like grain leather is more like, long lasting, I believe, and they are like so good. So this is my wallet. Chanel rectangular mini that I have, that is lambskin, very squishy and soft. It gives me a little bit worries that if I damage it somehow, but I have used it quite a bit. I'm talking about the rectangular mini, and it still looks very good. I will do a full review on that. But for now, let's enjoy this little beauty here. I'm so happy that I got it. Now, there's a little sticker here, which I need to take off. Should we do it here together? Probably, yeah. Okay, we'll do that. But before that, let's see, there's a little pocket here where I can put my coins or anything small. And then inside, there is this, you know, coin or cash or cards, whatever you want to put. Card holder where you can put all your cards. I love the fact that you can actually close it, so you can put your cards safely, and also you can put your coins or cash, whatever, like very, very safely. So I love this design. Interior is dark maroon or brown, and it's written made in Italy. So I'm very happy that I just randomly went to the Chanel boutique in Calgary, and they had, like, it was last year, and they had like really amazing collection. I also saw my favorite burgundy, like different kind of like mini rectangular. There was a shoulder bag. All of them were very nice, but I was not actually planning to buy anything, and this was like a spot purchase just because I knew that I wanted this one for so long. And in Toronto, like whenever I went to these Bloor Street boutiques, they always are stock out. Like I also went to the Yorkdale Mall, they never had it. It comes, but it is like sold out every time. So I was really lucky to get this from far away, and so happy. So this is it, and I'll be keeping it here in this one. The, you know, this is really a nice velvety pouch, and there are a couple of other cards, and then the receipt is here, so I'm going to save all of that. So yeah, that is my little, you know, Chanel small goodie unboxing with you guys. I hope you really enjoyed it. So now this unboxing is completely complete. I'm so excited to start using this beauty. I was just missing using it, but because I wanted to, you know, unbox together, have a moment with you guys, a special moment that I always love to share with you, so I just waited, and I'm so happy that we are done here together, and I'll be using it. I'll start using it from Monday, that is day after tomorrow. Excited! Yay! I love it so much. So guys, if you really enjoyed the video today, are you going to grab one of these wallets, or already you have it? If you have it, how it is holding up, let me know in the comment section below. I'll be really happy to know that. And yeah, today we did the unboxing together. I'll be using it, and sometime later I will come up with an updated review, so I can tell you guys how much I like it or not like it or whatever. So yeah, this video is going to end here today, and I'll be seeing you next time on my next video. Bye.
We hit the ground running so fast, we never saw it coming. Too high to come down. Maybe we were lucky, maybe we were just buzzing. Now you don't answer when I call you. You're probably happy and it's more than I could offer. I'm 6 drinks deep, telling stories through this bottle. So much to say and it's a problem. I think this whiskey's convinced me that you're still missing me. I don't think I'm thinking straight, I know it's late, but I just wanna talk to you. Even though these shots burn